Powerful oils that fight wrinkles and give you younger-looking skin. Aging is a natural process, but that doesn't mean we can't slow it down or minimize its effects. Wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin are all signs of aging that most of us wish to delay. Oils are nature's secret to keeping your skin youthful, glowing, and wrinkle-free. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential fatty acids, these oils can help protect your skin, boost collagen, and fight free radicals, the main culprits of aging. With so many anti-wrinkle oils available, it might seem daunting to choose the best one. Don't worry. We've compiled the ultimate list of 13 powerful oils that can reduce wrinkles and restore your skin's youthful glow. Ready to learn about these miracle oils? Let's dive in. Why oils are essential for wrinkle-free skin. Oils are more than just moisturizing agents. They're your skin's best defense against premature aging. Wrinkles and fine lines are caused by collagen breakdown due to factors like sun exposure, environmental pollutants, lack of sleep, and even stress. Oils are rich in nutrients that repair skin damage, improve elasticity, and enhance your natural glow. These oils are not just trendy, they're backed by science and loved by skincare experts worldwide. Keep reading to find out which oils will work wonders for your skin. 1. Baobab Oil, the collagen preserver. Baobab oil is a hidden gem when it comes to anti-aging. It's packed with antioxidants that protect collagen from breaking down while locking in moisture to keep your skin supple. Thanks to its smooth texture and fast absorption, Baobab oil is perfect for daily use. Use it as a serum before bedtime and wake up to softer, plumper skin. If you're dealing with fine lines, Baobab oil is your go-to solution. 2. Argan Oil, liquid gold for your skin. Known as liquid gold, argan oil is rich in omega fatty acids and vitamin E. These nutrients strengthen skin tissues and improve moisture retention, which is critical for wrinkle prevention. Studies show that argan oil improves the skin's water retention, giving it a more youthful appearance. For best results, pair argan oil with ceramides to enhance its anti-aging properties. Massage a few drops into your skin or mix it with your daily moisturizer. 3. Lavender Essential Oil, the antioxidant hero. Lavender oil is more than just relaxing. It's a powerful anti-aging tool. It boosts the production of antioxidants that combat free radicals, toxins, and pollutants. These free radicals are one of the main causes of skin aging. Lavender oil also promotes cell regeneration, which can help reduce wrinkles and fine lines over time. Add a drop of lavender oil to a carrier oil and massage it gently into your skin for maximum benefits. 4. Jojoba Oil, nature's skin mimic. Jojoba oil is unique because it closely mimics the natural oils produced by your skin. This makes it an ideal option for replenishing your skin's barrier and preventing moisture loss. In addition to its hydrating properties, jojoba oil is excellent for removing dirt and impurities. You can also use it as a carrier oil for essential oils to create a targeted anti-aging blend. 5. Rosehip Seed Oil, the vitamin C miracle. Rosehip seed oil is a favorite for treating wrinkles and fine lines, especially around the eyes. Rich in vitamin C, it fights free radicals and brightens your skin. The essential fatty acids in rosehip seed oil also deeply moisturize your skin, improving elasticity and reducing dryness. Apply it daily for a youthful, dewy complexion. For stubborn wrinkles, use it twice daily, morning and night. 6. Rose Oil, luxurious skin rejuvenator. Rose oil is a luxurious treat for aging skin. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, it stimulates collagen production and prevents free radical damage. Due to its potency and price, rose oil is best diluted with a carrier oil like argan or coconut oil. Use it to smooth out fine lines and improve overall skin texture. 7. Sandalwood Essential Oil, the skin regenerator. Sandalwood oil is known for its ability to regenerate skin cells and improve sun-damaged or aging skin. Its natural astringent properties tone and firm the skin, making it look smoother and younger. For a relaxing and rejuvenating experience, use sandalwood oil in a steam facial. Add a drop to hot water, cover your head with a towel, and let the steam work its magic on your skin. 8. Pomegranate Oil, Skin Cell Activator. Pomegranate oil is a powerhouse of antioxidants that protect your skin from free radical damage. It stimulates collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. Add a few drops of pomegranate oil to your moisturizer for a daily dose of anti-aging benefits. It's particularly effective for mature skin. 9. Geranium Oil, the Skin Tightener. Geranium oil is a multitasking marvel that removes toxins, tightens skin, and promotes cell renewal. It also helps with age spots, blemishes, and acne scars, making it ideal for all skin types. Add a drop to your face wash or lotion for a quick anti-aging boost. 10. Rosemary Oil, Under-Eye Savior. Rosemary oil is excellent for reducing puffiness, under-eye bags, and wrinkles. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe the skin while its astringent nature tightens it. Mix rosemary oil with a carrier oil and gently massage it into your skin to enjoy its rejuvenating effects. 11. Frankincense Oil, the Cell Renewal Expert. Frankincense oil is a favorite for its ability to renew skin cells and reduce wrinkles. Regular use can tone and lift the skin, giving it a firmer and more youthful appearance. Dilute it with a carrier oil and apply it to problem areas for the best results. 12. Sea Buckthorn Oil, Vitamin C-Packed Healer. Sea buckthorn oil is rich in vitamins C and E, beta-carotene, and essential fatty acids. These nutrients heal skin damage, improve elasticity, and replenish hydration. Dilute this potent oil before use, and add a drop or two to your favorite moisturizer for a powerful anti-aging treatment. 13. Carrot Seed Oil, the Ultimate Glow Enhancer. Carrot seed oil is a go-to for mature skin, thanks to its high levels of antioxidants, vitamin E, and carotenoids. It protects against UV damage, reduces inflammation, and restores your skin's natural glow. Its distinct aroma might not appeal to everyone, so consider blending it with other oils. How to choose the right oil for your skin. When selecting an oil, consider your skin type and specific concerns. For dry skin, go for deeply hydrating oils like rosehip or argan. If you're battling wrinkles, oils rich in antioxidants like lavender and pomegranate are excellent choices. Final thoughts. These 13 oils are nature's answer to wrinkle-free, younger-looking skin. Incorporating them into your skincare routine can dramatically improve your skin's texture, elasticity, and overall appearance. Whether it's the collagen-boosting power of Baobab Oil or the cell-renewing properties of frankincense, there's an oil for every skin type and concern. Would you try these oils for your skin? Share your favorites in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing skincare tips. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.